Yo, what is going on guys, Chef Table here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these awesome looking pizza snack rolls. Really simple to do and really delicious. Great little snack food. So let's get into the video. Okay, so you can make this even more simple for yourself if you just buy pre-made pizza dough and pizza sauce. I've made my own. If you'd like to know how to do that, there is a link in the description below to a previous video where I made pizzas. And everything is in that video, so you can go check that out. What you want to do then is get your dough on a floured surface and roll it out to about 12 centimeter rectangle, and then you want to spread your sauce evenly over the whole of the pizza base. Now time for a nice layer of cheese. I've gone for some mozzarella and also some grated cheddar. It's up to you whatever cheese you prefer on your pizza. This is what I've gone for. So you want to spread it evenly over the whole of the pizza bases, and then we will move on to the next step. Now time for the rest of the toppings. I've just gone for very basic pizza toppings. I've got pepperoni on one and ham on the other. You can add whatever you like on a pizza. Obviously try not to put too much on there because it's going to be really hard to complete the next step, which we're going to see in just a second. Okay, now it's time to roll this bad boy up. I could have done with a little bit more flour on my work surface as the dough stuck a little bit, but we managed to get it free, and now you just want to simply roll this up from one end to the other. So I've just added some more flour to the surface now, stop the dough sticking. Then you want to take a knife and you want to chop it all the way along into even sized pieces. Okay, so here is my air fryer tray, and you want to grab one piece and just pinch the bottom until you seal it off, because you don't want none of the beautiful toppings leaking out at the bottom. So that is now going to be done for each piece, and place it on your air fryer tray. It's then going to go in your air fryer at 180 degrees for around about 10 to 12 minutes. As you can see, I've gone for 6 on a tray. That's going to go onto the middle shelf in your air fryer. This is halfway done. This is after 6 minutes. They're looking really good. So I'm going to pop them back in for another 6. Now here is the finished product. Beautiful pizza snack rolls. Really simple to do. Really delicious. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share the hell out of this video. Helps the channel out so much. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.